Hey everyone, this is Andrew Kurcan with a StudioKurcan 60-second quick tip. When it comes to providing feedback on a video project, it is essential to give comments assigned to the timecode of a video. Doing so lets your team turn around edits much faster and with less confusion. We are going to take a look at leaving feedback via a frame.io review link. Various online review tools have similar interfaces such as Dropbox and HighTail. When you click on a review link, you should see a video field and a comment field. Once we start playing the video and we see something that we want to talk about, we can simply type in our comments down here and press enter. We'll see that the comment shows up here in timecode on the video and also over on the right in a comment stack. In addition to leaving notes, I can also draw markups right onto the video window. This allows my team to see without a doubt what needs to change. When the team starts processing changes, they can reply to or mark complete any comment in the stack. I hope this makes providing feedback on video projects easier for you and your team. Be sure to visit the StudioKurcan Backstage blog for more media tips and tricks.